When you're into trading, you always hear about Forex, right? Yeah, it's the most well-known market, but I found a niche that got me an annual income of $1.2 million. What really bugged me about Forex were the huge commissions. The constantly fluctuating win rate and smart trading always ended up putting me in the red. So I discovered an alternative, powerful strategy that works for everyone. I've already made over $63,000 with it. Watch the video till the end and I'll show you in detail.
How much money do you need to make over 2,500 in just 10 minutes?
Hi, it's Simon here. I've been in trading for over 7 years and my average annual income is around $1.2 million.
First off, I'll set up the platform for trading. The trade lasts 1 minute. Investment amount is 20 bucks. Candle time frame 30 seconds. We'll take 4 currency pairs. And our star player, the MACD indicator. Why do we use indicators? Essentially, they help us spot significant price changes and the dominance of buyers or sellers in the market. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is super popular for identifying trend strength and providing various trading signals. It's simple. We've got green and red lines plus a histogram, bars of different colors. The green is the main line and the red is the signal line. When the green line crosses the red from below, it indicates a bullish trend. At this moment, you should buy. If, on the contrary, the red crosses the green from below, it means we've caught a downtrend and it's time to sell. When the lines intersect, it means that the trend is about to change. If it was bearish, it becomes bullish and vice versa. It's all very simple. To trade effectively, it's crucial to boost your theoretical knowledge. That's why on my Telegram channel I share info about indicators, reveal trading tips and discuss mistakes and screw-ups. All absolutely free. Plus, I share my trading signals daily with more than 10,000 subscribers. We trade every day and my followers are getting results just like mine. Some have even moved into new apartments, helped their families, and in general, many have drastically changed their lives. You can also enter trades using my signals and simply follow my lead. I give my signals every day. Subscribe to the channel using the first link in the description or the first pinned comment. But it's time to put what we know to the test. Let's move on to trading. Canadian yen. The MACD signal line is still hanging above the main. And even though the histogram hints that the trend's power is fading and might flip soon, on a minute time frame it's not likely to shift. We go lower. Neatly, sharply and stylishly, I pocket an honest 38 bucks. Moving on. Aussie and Kiwi are hitting the resistance level with strong surges again. The main and signal lines are intertwining and I'm anticipating a bounce, going lower. Looking back at past line crossovers, they perfectly match up with the upwards and downward movements. Meanwhile, my accurate chart interpretation boosts my deposit, $73, keeping it rolling. Aussie franc. With the main line below the signal, it makes sense to expect more downward movements. Though I see intense impulses on the chart signaling market volatility and risks, but still lower. And there's a rollback. That sometimes happens in trading, especially with high volatility, but the key point, a rollback is not a loss, so keep smiling and push forward. Aussie Canadian. Here the price is reluctantly dropping and the main line looks set to cross the signal, so I'm going higher. By the way, my Telegram channel has over 10,000 subscribers and every day I post dozens of signals that I trade on myself. Just today, my subscribers and I made an impressive result of 431,000. You could have been one of them. You'll find the link to my channel in the description of this video. Don't waste time, join my Telegram channel for free and join my trading sessions today. I've got 140 bucks in the account now. Keep watching. Canadian and yen are back with me. The price should head up according to MACD indicators, so I'm investing for an increase. Wow, another rollback. The market insanely volatile today, but no worries. The main thing is we see how effectively I can use the indicator, even in such interesting conditions. On the Aussie Kiwi, the bulls are actively resisting the price drop, and the main line is looking to jump over the signal line. That means the price will rise, press higher. Very good. Moving on. Aussie franc. The chart shows a clear trend reversal upwards. The main line dominates. I confidently go in for an increase. Following the last green candle, my earnings soared to $516. And here's the Aussie Canadian in a tricky spot. The pair again cannot break through crucial resistance level, and the indicator lines are in an interesting mix, so we're going lower. And just like that, I've reached $991. The Canadian and yen are making some unsure moves upwards. I'm guessing there's still a bounce down coming our way on the minute time frame. Time to go lower. Yeah, my bank is at $1,903. Pretty good, but let's wrap up this session on a high note. Aussie Kiwi. Looks like the upward movement is done. The MACD main is getting closer to the signal again, and the histogram bars are shrinking. I go lower. This indicator is mind-blowing. Awesome! With this indicator, even super volatile market don't scare me. Today I made $2,823 from just 20 bucks. If any of you can throw me some options where you can make more than I did for the same time? 7 years back I chose to make a revolution in my life, and by now I've made over $1 million trading every day. I've already bought my own house and car, and I visit a new country every month. But you know, wealth is just one part of the joy. My passion is helping others change their life. The recipe is simple. Tips, deals, and efficient signals that I use myself, I give to my subscribers. They just copy my trades and have already achieved impressive daily rewards that exceed their monthly salary. Here are some reviews from my channel members. And like I said, just today my subscribers and I made an impressive results of 431,000. Wanna trade with me and get the same results? 2 simple steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. Send me a direct message. What's next? I'll personally show you everything, right down to each button you press. Trading with my support won't cause you any problems, and it's absolutely free. Don't miss your chance to change your life. That's it for now. Catch you later.